Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Good morning. Good afternoon, Pramod.
Hi, sir. Patil
Good
sir.
morning,
Good morning,
Pramod.
everyone.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
Mic check, mic check.
Mic check,
Testing.
mic check, mic testing. 1 trillion.
Confirmed mic is working.
Yeah. Yeah. Sir, let's see, during US session, okay, if the market is good, if it's ranging nearby, okay, if it's building the liquidity, okay. So if it comes down, to take this liquidity, so you can try the long, okay. So if the directly comes down, don't take any short after even the going back, because on the daily time frame, the market achieved its target. It may can come inside. That is not a issue. It can come, but you should always what we should see their recent low, because when it reach some daily support or H1 support, this will work very strong as a liquidity. So market can come in this way. Okay, immediately sweep, it will go up. It will be ranging, not like it won't reverse in this way. See now, gold is ranging. You just look at this.
Mm.
From last 3 days, the market is ranging at the same place. If you go and check on the 1 hour, so this is how it's ranging near this order block. It can be the same here also. Okay, even if you take the short, you should close immediately when it reaches some area, or book some profit or hold it 20%. Okay, if you first, because on the 15 minutes yesterday, we got the morning star with the low volume. Sir, HM,
Yes, sir.
can you see this?
Yes.
So retest here. So our entry will be this area.
Yeah.
So it was 4 a.m. Yeah, it came and it achieved it. And target is the recent high, which is this. So once again, let's see if it comes this liquidity, and auto block is too big, but yeah, from this area, let it come here. So from this order block, okay, if it's too big, no. Hmm. Let's, you can do one thing. See, this order block is too big, okay. Let it come, sweep this liquidity. If you get any candle, then you can try. And if you mark the trend line, even you will get the trend line also here now. Yes, this is also possible. Like this. Okay, we cannot expect too big a target, only this. From here, once again, market can go down. Okay, directly if it goes here, try short, but wait for confirmation, then you can go for a short. If you get chance to take the long, the market, see on the 5 minutes, internally market structure has shifted. Okay, so we can expect here, which is if you take here means which is 5%, but not now. Market is ranging here. So tell me, anyone took the trade in any token, because every Most of the token, exactly same pattern. Let's see the Sir
Good,
HM favorite token. Yes. Reverse and then so okay, liquidity didn't pick this. Both USDT. Okay, it took this. Sir, did you try trade, sir, or no?
Yeah, of course I tried.
From where? Here?
Yeah, I was waiting it to come there, but it didn't come. But then I just decided to try, like, considering this as an internal structure. This is 618. You have a good volume confirmation there, so I just tried
Okay, you
for a
took
small trade. Yeah, it's not kind of a very high probability, but at least the internal structure was aligned. But this
Oh.
is the bottom. Like I think that this was the key area. I was waiting it for to come there.
Where, sir? Where you were waiting to come there? Which?
Could you see my drawing?
Yes.
This area.
Okay, but why you didn't write here, sir?
Directly there.
Yes.
Whoa, I'm not that advanced. How do you how do you try there?
No, see, we don't have the
Yeah.
neckline for sure here. Okay, we have only one a shoulder here, which is this. Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
So we got the breakout retest. So here we have the low volume bullish engulf. Stop loss below this. Target recent high achieved, sir.
Yeah, that would have been amazing.
Why you don't see when you see the V pattern, you should search the shoulder, sir. This is like you
Yeah.
cannot don't like okay, just ignore. This is not a reverse head and shoulder, but this is a V pattern.
Yeah.
So V pattern, you have to see the 1 week, sir. That's it.
Yeah, I was waiting it for it too because I
Sorry.
noticed that
Mhm.
no worries. So this one for me was a key area. So I wanted that to break. So I was expecting, at least something like that to happen.
Mm.
So I was waiting for that. So I was not like
That will be
this is
understood. So in
this.
V
Yeah, they are.
in V pattern, you have to see the week here. So that this
Yeah,
will be the key, sir, to take the trade.
yeah,
This area.
yeah.
Pramod,
But
Yeah.
these are champion trades. I'm not yet champion. Soon,
Yeah. Who is the champion, sir, in our group?
Mr. B, Mr. B.
DG.
He probably take
Pramod,
this trade.
Yeah, ma'am.
but in this situation, where we should put a stop loss
Below
under,
this zone, ma'am. Below this zone.
on the goat, if we should do this, after time came stop loss.
Court was different pattern, ma'am. There was only candlestick there. If you go to the 15 minutes,
Wasn't also V
no,
pattern on 5 minutes.
on 1 second. Because you see here, ma'am, if what when like on the goat, what I saw when the market started moving in this way, immediately you should go and check on the 15 minutes, especially gold. What it was here?
Hello, Sam speaking.
Sam, it's Bronte from AS Solutions. How are you?
Hello, stranger. How are you?
Sam, mute, mate, mute.
Sam is really good customer service guy, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, it
amazing.
sounds so professional.
Hell
I
of
wouldn't
trade.
really, I wouldn't really
Wow.
think he's so professional, man.
I wonder why he doesn't speak in this group like that.
Amazing that we caught that live.
Yeah, ma'am, on the 15 minutes, okay. So you just look at here on the 15 minutes, we got a morning star. Okay, and Doge, I didn't see the Doge 15 minutes. There is no morning star. This pattern is different. You look at this on the 15 minutes morning star. So when we see the morning star, okay, the retest. So example, I'll show one thing. 1 second, ma'am. On gold. I think last month. Two times, ma'am. I'll see here. market was coming down. Okay, immediately on the 15 minutes, we got morning star and gold. You will on gold, you will see every candle. You will see the volumes. Okay, just ignore this. So morning star retest started moving up because 15 minutes morning star retest will be more powerful, ma'am. Morning star retest went up.
And when you wait to retest on that zone, you are taking the trade on 5 minutes. When you take decision on 15 minutes, you take the.
I don't wait for candlestick pattern, ma'am.
Okay, understood.
Touch
Okay.
and go because it's coming for retest. We should not wait for the candlestick here. No. When
Okay.
it touch, our trade will start. Done.
Okay, we have to be very brave.
Yes.
Touch and go. View.
Yes, ma'am. Touch and go because confirmation candle is this.
This is and then touch and go. Okay.
Yes, this will be touch and
Thank you.
go. Yeah, you can use, though it's very risky, but yeah, we can use the order limit, or I suggest you just wait when it comes, take the trade, stop loss. See, to be honest, the stop loss will be below the morning star, but if the candle is too big, I mean, this candle is too big, then we cannot do anything, ma'am. Sometimes what happens, it will come, it will take stop loss and it will go. For example, arc. We'll go to the arc. On the 15 minutes, morning star, same pattern, correct? Morning
Huh?
star here. And if I wait for the retest, okay, the next candle or where, if I think touch and go, if I take the trade here, I cannot keep the stop loss. Because until the candle will not close below this, a candle, this will be valid, ma'am. But yeah, the test will be always important. Again, it took the test, now it's ranging the same area just. So this is very important because sorry, on the 15 minutes directly, we cannot take the trade here, ma'am. We should wait for the retracement if the candle is too big. Just look at this volume, ma'am.
Yes.
Very low. Yes, our trade will start from this area.
Yeah.
Touch and go. That's it. So in this case, like gold, it went up. Like for example, it went up. So when it comes, people will start taking this short. Obviously, the market is downtrend. But on the 15 minutes, the candle will respect that, like morning star. So touch and it started moving down.
Maybe in this situation we should start with a low leverage, put the stop loss under
This
the
candle.
lowest point.
Yes.
And when it retests and we are more sure to increase the leverage and to add to the trade, should be like this. No?
Yes, ma'am, you can do that. So you can go, it's like earlier you said, right, on which time frame we should take the trade. Yes, when it comes here, you can go to the 5 minutes. From 5 minutes, with the 5 minutes candle, you can take the trade. No problem. If you want safe
Okay.
trade, like because see here, according to the candlestick pattern, so what happens when we see any morning star pattern on the 15 minutes, and if it didn't break any high, because we don't have any breakout right here. If this market goes above this, then this will be invalid. So market is still not made any high. It just went up and it retest. Now it can go up. So in this case, okay, according to the candlestick, we don't require any pattern, I mean, confirmation. They just take the trade when it enter in this. So if you want to take the safe trade, then you can wait, ma'am, like here any candle. So again, your entry will be here. Low volume, bullish engulf, morning star, yes. According to this, then stop loss will become very small, ma'am, just below this candle.
And if it goes above, why you said this become invalid, because should not come back.
No, see,
Here.
if from here, if the market it started moving up right here,
Yes.
so if directly goes and close above this, the recent high, then this will be invalid. If it comes, because then this scenario will change, ma'am. This will become invalid. Here, it didn't break any recent high. You see here, look, we have, for example, we have a high here, okay? high here and low. The market made one
Yes.
candle and it came further retest. Now it should go up. If the market directly without retest, if the market goes up and when it comes back, then it will be invalid, ma'am. Because it achieved the
Understood.
target. Yeah, it achieved the target now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. This is very hard to enter in my head because when I think, oh, let's go, we go, and it's here. I'm doing the biggest mistake. Yes.
No,
Thank you so much. I
no,
will
no.
repeat and repeat. I'll make a tattoo
Yeah.
with letters. Thank you.
No problem. No.
So Pramod, can I ask you something? If you go back to Doge on 5 minutes,
Yes, sir.
because I was having the same like idea at first as a Sir HM.
Hmm.
But what I did, I was waiting again, like to basically just to go, because this for me was 4 hour level.
Hmm.
Now this one here is like important daily level break for me, what I mark on my chart.
Hmm.
So now I was thinking basically to come here, do this, and then take the entry again to be safe. But it didn't happen.
Yes.
So I see that they actually had an area here
Hmm.
which actually matches to this one for me. So I was like, oh, so this level is kind of interesting because they stopped here and they stopped here.
Hmm.
So what I did is I marked like levels like this in that
Okay.
case.
Hmm.
And I was waiting from the daily level to come here. So I try to take actually trade from this one, right? From this
Hmm.
zone.
Hmm.
So when I went to volume, this I saw this bullish candle,
Hmm.
but to me the volume was really high.
Hmm.
So I didn't take it. So
Hmm.
then this was this, like I would say, morning star, and this candle volume was less volume.
Hmm.
So I actually took it here and my stop loss here
Hmm.
for this, and I'm targeting the higher level actually.
I'll just, yeah.
But
Hmm.
hold on, but I am a little bit now scared that the candles, because I don't know if this can be counted as that they took the liquidity from here.
Hmm.
If yes, then it's okay because I know that they are doing basically higher lows, so maybe it can come. But for me, important this level is daily level. So now, if this breaks, maybe you retest. So maybe I will close it, right?
Yes, sir. And like as you said, why this was the liquidity? How you are saying that it sweeps, sir, here?
No, because here I
Huh?
had the zone here, right?
Uh-huh.
And I already saw that they went below this and up, and now they make a new low. So I was like, okay. So when they did this sweep, and I was waiting for bullish, it was not, and now this was for me
Hmm.
like the morning star pattern.
Correct.
So I was thinking, all right, so
Hmm.
they took this one, so maybe now they're not coming here anymore, which I was waiting originally for. So I took it from here. That's why.
Very nice. So how you will describe that here is the liquidity, sir? We have
Well, I always
confirmation, yes.
confirmation.
Yes, I mean,
I,
yeah,
I don't
here.
know. I just see that they basically were here a couple times, so they make these wicks.
Hmm.
So I always mark these wicks, and I take it as liquidity. I have no other explanation for that actually.
Okay. So actually, sir, when you told that we have bullish shingle, but because of the volume, I didn't take, right?
Yes,
Everyone saw the same there, but most of them they'll take because of this candle. You didn't took because of the volume. So
yes.
that is the reason this will become a liquidity. You saw this
Ah,
candle, right? So you
yeah.
was right. Like when it comes here down after taking this liquidity, you should join this trade, which is correct, sir.
Mm-hmm.
And in
Okay.
this case, and this is not a reverse head and shoulder, okay? You can mark this as a V pattern. I earlier showed on the gold. You will be seeing all the time on the gold, sir, a V patterns. If you go to the 5 minutes and if you check, so we don't wait for just look at here. So this was the neckline, correct, sir, here?
Yes.
So what we do when it goes up and when it will be staying, right? Just when we see any low volume candle with the bullish engulf, immediately we'll enter stop loss below this or here, done.
Yeah.
Because we try to take the trade from the lowest point. And you will see, just go when you have time on the gold chart, you will see the V patterns too many times, sir. Every day almost. Look at this every time, sir. V
Yeah.
pattern, V pattern. Look at the V patterns. So there we'll try to join earlier, sir, because see just here, if this is a low volume, okay, okay. Here we have the low volume. This is not no low volume before compared to the previous candle. So low volume. So what is happening? Like if I'm taking the trade here and the stop loss, if it's coming less than 1% or 1%, at least I can try here, right? The reason why I'm trying the long, okay, I'll keep the stop loss here. Why we are taking the trade here? Just like as you said on the 4 hours and the daily time frame. Yesterday, even Sir HM was telling that maybe market can take this liquidity. What, sir, you said, right? Yesterday, this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was
Yeah.
thinking that this and maybe this liquidity.
Yeah, both, sir.
That
It took
would be-
this liquidity,
yeah.
and if it was rejecting, and the 5 minutes, if the market is started taking, see, in the market, every time frame support and resistance, it will react, sir. Sometimes it won't reverse, but it will react. It will respect that levels. It respected that level. It started moving up. That's it. You can join this trade in this way, sir. And how much we can expect? Like what Brett sir said, like if I'm taking the trade here, when it reach this level, I'll use break even. If I don't want to take this profit, if I'm waiting for any order block, then at least I'll use the break even. If it come and hit, no problem. But at least I try to join. Immediately we cannot join here, sir. No. Immediately we cannot join the trade here. We need some patterns or strong candlestick on 15 minutes or 1 hour. 5 minutes will not work, sir, because when you are seeing on 4 hours or daily time frame support, at least the candle should be a 15 minutes.
Okay.
Yes.
Very nice.
So this is liquidity because there's definitely traders there because there's so much volume.
Volume, yes, sir. And
What do you think about if you go to the right a little bit?
Where?
My trade is already in break even, but I took fib from here to here, 618 or something. Yeah, that one also could work, but how do you want to draw it?
No, sir. We cannot use this. Let's check on the 15 minutes. This is also possible.
Yeah, I'm still waiting. Yeah, I'm waiting it for it to come down. But is this too low for it to come
that
here?
is too low. No, it may can come, sir. It may can come this area here.
Yeah.
Okay. If directly, if it started coming, then your trade will be in this way.
Yeah.
Before moving up, they'll drop. Yeah.
Yeah, I marked these two zones, these ones that you marked, but I decided to give it a go in here because you had a volume confirmation. But the trade is already in break even. And just because in 5 minutes, I guess, well, maybe not so much in 50 minutes, but I was considering that this is a small internal breaker structure.
Only 5 minutes, right?
Yeah. Yeah. So that's why I decided to give it a go.
Here. Okay.
Yeah. You never know because it touched the 1 day liquidity, and usually after that there will be a big reaction.
Yes, sir. And when we have the FOMC, sir, let me check.
Today.
Today.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So federal rate. Okay. 11:30. Okay, we have very important news today, sir. And Sam, sir, everyone was hearing your conversation with some lady.
Oh, really? Sorry.
Yes. No problem, sir. We understood what you are dealing with her. We come to know.
And we said that you are really great.
Yes, sir.
Good.
So Pramod's
good,
gonna
good.
act as the customer service manager for the next gen group.
Did you mute it?
You did eventually when we told you.
Pramod,
Yes, sir.
I drew a 15-minute channel, parallel channel on ARC,
Okay.
and then it seemed to break it. The candle broke down, but then it went back up. If you draw the 15-minute parallel
So
there,
from this area, or you
from
took this
that whole area from the bottom up. I
this
drew it a bit earlier, the 15-minute parallel channel, and you see it broke down below, but now it's gone up, and it's basically touched the bottom line of the daily CPR at the moment.
No, sir. Wait, let me check on the 5 minutes. No, sir. No, because the market is ranging, sir. Just wait. Okay. Just wait to close any candle. Here also the daily time frame, right, is rejecting. See, when we see any channel, right, especially on the 15 minutes, it's very closer here. You just see these
Yeah.
three rejection very close. It's very closer. At least we should get
They
some
want it
gap.
more spread out. Okay.
Yeah, just wait, sir. Don't take now. And yesterday, Fartcoin, right? Like you was discussing on the 4 hours.
Yes.
I
It
told you,
kept
sir. We
on
got the breakout.
kept on coming down.
Yeah. Let's see on very bad candles. No. No, sir. We don't have here. So we'll go back to the R. Yeah, no.
I think there was a nice morning star on Brett,
On
but I didn't take anything.
which token, sir? Bread.
Brett. See there, the morning star and the retest.
This one, right? On the
Yeah.
1 hour or 5 minutes?
I can't remember. I saw it last night.
The 1 hour, I think so. This so on the 5 minutes also we have evening star, but so on the fifth, like on the 15 minutes, sir. Just wait to break this level, sir. So on the retracement, you can catch this trend. Your target will be this order block.
Okay.
Yeah. So directly usually don't come. If it comes, then our bad luck. If it comes below this on the 15 minutes, just wait for the retracement. From there, you can catch this trade. So this all are liquidities on the 5 minutes. So you can get a good trade setup here.
Okay. Thanks.
No problem.
And then do
On
you
the
mind
5
looking at another token that's been one of the leading tokens in recent months? It's we haven't really looked at it, I don't think. HYPE. HYPE.
Why?
Yeah. It's been in an uptrend. It's the 11th ranked crypto token at the moment in market cap. So
Okay.
yeah.
No, okay. So you should wait, sir. This is inside bar. All right, this is inside bar candle. Then 1 hour, obviously the market will be sideways.
Yes.
So if you want to try this short, but where is the order block, sir? Just try. Where is the order block and neckline? Zero. Yeah.
Yeah.
Correct. So yes, that is order block, sir. So just wait to come this area on the higher time frame, okay? So when it comes from here, you can join the short. Not long, sir, because
No.
so no, the internally
It
market
hasn't gone
structure
above
shifted.
it hasn't gone above that 45, 46 dollar mark.
Mhm. And the market structure has shifted on the downside on internally, sir. Just wait to tap this area. Maybe, yeah, this place will be very nice. When it come very close, like yesterday, I was showing right on the 5 minutes on the arc. You have to see the high and low in that way. So sometimes what happens, market will go nearby, then immediately started coming down. It won't touch the resistance or order block because we cannot take this as a order block this big. So what you have to do, you have to go on the 5 minutes. Like yesterday, I was showing this. So here, same situation, sir. As you like, we have the resistance here. Market didn't reach there, right? Just when it reached near high, okay. When it goes near high, just mark the highest candle. Okay, the next, if the candle goes above this, just wait to tap this. If it directly comes without touching, then your trade will be the same, exactly like arc. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Understood. Thank you.
No problem. Then guys, we'll be doing a session today.
Yes, thank you
Thank
very
you
much.
very much, sir.
Thank
See
you,
you
sir.
later.
Take care. See you, sir. Take care.
Thanks, Pramod.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very
Peace,
much.
Pramod.
See you later.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye.
PC. Yeah, sir, HM. John, sir. Bye bye. EK. Bye, ma'am. Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.